Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix this game is already running when you try to launch Minecraft Launcher. It's quite easy to fix, so let me show how. First of all, open up Task Manager and then you need to look for Minecraft Launcher related basically tasks and end all of them, and also with Java related as well. Look if there is no Java related tasks as well, and then once you do so, you need to just relaunch Minecraft Launcher, as you can see here, and it should work for you. So we just need to wait for a couple of seconds here until it loads up. But after you, on the task manager, you closed all the Minecraft related tasks, it should work. So let's wait for a couple of seconds here until it loads up. As you can see, guys, launcher is basically launched. But if for some reason it's not working for you, then what I suggest to do here is to restart your computer and look after that if the problem persists or not, because after multiple times, I waited for 10 minutes and it was not launched. So I just restarted my computer and it started to work, right? And another thing that can happen is also it can be by Minecraft Launcher. You just need to look for Minecraft Launcher here. Then you need to go to App Settings. And on App Settings, you need to just wait and look for reset, press repair, look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, press reset, and it should fix your problem. That's pretty much it.